have gathered here to celebrate the spirit of determination, strength, and sportsmanship. Our participants showcased incredible talent in three challenging events. First one was cycling, second one was running, and the third one was rifle shooting. Rifle tested their focus, discipline, and the purpose of organizing this event is to promote physical fitness, mental strength, and overall development among students.
And I am very happy to see the josh with which you all have participated, and it was very heartening indeed. Yeah, so congratulations to all the winners, and my congratulations to all the parents also, students and children who have won the prizes as well as who have not got the prizes. The whole idea is to participate, and it was really very encouraging to see the way you all students have participated. I could see some children who are genuinely disappointed and not getting any of the prizes or on any of the position. But don't worry, this is just the beginning. You know, you have participated, that is what matters. And this is going to be kind of an annual event we will have. So the sub-junior will get into the junior category in times to come. So let's hope we see you more often here in the campus. And I will always look forward to meeting you somewhere else, if not in the campus.